One day you wake up and discover that your 20s are gone. The question is, what would you have built? Most people think their 20s are for enjoyment, but the truth is your 20s are for building. Because if you don't build in your 20s, you will repair in your 30s. Here's the hard truth. Nobody is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your degree, and certainly not the government. In this video, I will show you 5 ways you might be wasting your 20s and how to make sure that you don't regret. Follow me. The first way you are ruining your life is simple. You are running away from hard things. A lot of young people just want soft life. They want comfort. But the truth is, hard is the price for growth. Reading is hard. Discipline is hard. Learning a new skill is hard. Waking up early is hard. But let me tell you what is harder. Struggling in your 40s because you avoided growth in your 20s is harder. Stop running from hard things. Hard things make strong people. The version of you at 40 depends on what you are willing to endure in your 20s. Tough times make tough people. Don't run away from hard things. The second way you may be wasting your 20s is you are focusing on too many things. A lot of young people these days are doing too many things at the same time. You want to do business, you want to learn crypto, you want to be an influencer, all in one year. That is not ambition, that is distraction. And you don't lack talent, you lack focus. Focus is what turns every effort into results. Focus is what turns every ordinary person into exceptional ones. Focus is what turns talent into mastery. In your 20s, focus is more important than speed. You need clarity. And why a lot of young people are diving and jumping from one thing to another is because they haven't discovered their purpose. You don't need 10 goals, you need one direction, and that is your purpose. Pick one skill, pick one path, and be committed to it. Remember, if you are pursuing everything, you can build nothing. Scattered focus will produce scattered results. So pick one thing and be committed to it in your 20s. The third way you may be wasting your life is this: you don't have any skill. The world that we are today have changed. Gone are the days where you need your certificates to be relevant. Now the question today is, what can you actually do? Nobody is after your certificate. Nobody will ask you the school you graduated from or the degree you graduated with. What they will ask you is, what can you contribute? What value can you bring? Impact attracts income. So it's very important. What can I do? You need to pick a skill and learn. Now, what can you do? That is what is important. What value can you create? Is very, very important. So get a skill, at least one skill in your 20s. Because if you don't get a skill in your 20s, your 30s and your 40s will be vulnerable. The fourth way you may be wasting your life is you are not intentional about your finance. A lot of young people live their financial life to chance and hope. Hope is not a strategy. When you live your financial life to chance, your finances will determine the kind of decision you make in your 40s and in your 30s. You have to be intentional about your financial life. Read books on finance. Learn how money works. Your 20s is not just for you to earn money, but to also learn how to invest the money, to also learn how to multiply the money, to learn how money works. Are you saving consistently? Do you know how to increase your earning power? It's very, very important. You need to be intentional about your finances. And there are books I can recommend. You can watch this video over here. There are books I can recommend that will help you understand how finance works. We have The Richest Man in Babylon. We have Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And we also have The Psychology of Money. You need to learn how money works. Don't live your financial life to chance. Number 5 way you may be wasting your life is this: you don't read. Young people are so lazy these days. We scroll through the internet, scroll through social media, but we don't read. Reading is very, very important if you want to live a life of advantage. Reading sharpens your mind. It helps you to think critically. When all the information you get is only from social media, your life will be very, very shallow. Reading helps you to think. It gives you ideas that will transform your life. When you read, you stand on the shoulder of those that have gone ahead of you. Reading is very important. But I see a lot of young people find it difficult to read. Read is very, very important. Read. And that is why the Readers Club is here. We review books, we talk about books. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, and then watch this video over here, which will help you to develop a reading habit. And just a bonus one, I know I said 5, but just a bonus. Another reason why you may be wasting your 20s is this: too many relationships. You jump from relationship to relationship. Your 20s is not for you to be jumping from one relationship to the other. It is the years of building, focus, clarity, intentional. So these ways are the ways I feel young people may be wasting their 20s. And I hope this video has been of help to you. If it has, please, you can subscribe and follow me for more videos like this. Thank you.